Hey everyone, welcome back to Talk English Fluently, and if you're new here, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. I'm back with a new series of English lessons, and this time, we're diving into A2 level. If you're starting here and haven't checked out the A1 lessons yet, no worries. I put the link to the A1 series right up here for you, so you can easily access it. We'll be dropping a new short video every day, so stick with me and let's tackle the A2 level together.
Clothes and accessories. Fashion.
Popular styles in clothing, accessories, or behavior at a specific time. Her outfit reflects the latest fashion trends.
Clothing.
Garments worn to cover the body, such as shirts, pants, or dresses. The store sells winter clothing like jackets and sweaters.
Blouse.
A loose-fitting upper garment worn by women, typically with buttons. She wore a silk blouse to the office.
Shorts.
Short pants typically worn in warm weather or for sports. He wears shorts when jogging in the park.
Pocket.
A small pouch sewn into clothing for carrying small items. She put her phone in her coat pocket. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time, ring the bell so you don't miss the rest of the videos.
Button.
A small disc used to fasten clothes by slipping through a buttonhole. He fastened his shirt with the top button undone.
Uniform.
Specific clothing worn by members of an organization for identity. The students wear a school uniform every day.
Umbrella.
A device used for protection from rain or sunlight. She always carries an umbrella in case of rain.
Accessory.
Additional items like jewelry or bags that enhance an outfit. The hat is the perfect accessory for her summer look.
Watch.
A small timepiece worn on the wrist. He checked his watch to see if he was late for the meeting.
Glasses.
Lenses worn to correct vision or protect the eyes. She wears glasses to read small text.
Sunglasses.
Darkened lenses worn to protect the eyes from bright sunlight. He bought a new pair of sunglasses for his beach trip.
Briefcase.
A flat, rectangular case for carrying documents or laptops. He carries his laptop in a leather briefcase.
Cap.
A soft, flat hat typically with a visor in the front. He wore a baseball cap to shield his eyes from the sun.
Bracelet.
A decorative band or chain worn around the wrist. She wore a silver bracelet on her right wrist. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time, ring the bell so you don't miss the rest of the videos.
Wallet.
A small, flat case used for carrying money and cards. He keeps his credit cards in his wallet.
Chain.
A series of connected links worn around the neck or wrist as jewelry. She wore a gold chain with a pendant.
Earring.
Jewelry worn on the earlobe. Her diamond earring sparkled in the light.
Ring.
A circular band worn around a finger as jewelry or symbol. He proposed with a diamond ring.
Necklace.
Jewelry worn around the neck. She received a pearl necklace as a gift.
Jewelry.
Decorative items like rings, necklaces, or bracelets made from precious materials. She has a collection of antique jewelry.
Perfume.
A fragrant liquid applied to the body for a pleasant smell. She sprayed some perfume before going out for dinner.
Loose.
Not tight or fitting closely, free-fitting. Her dress is loose and comfortable for summer.
Height.
Fitting very closely to the body, snug. These jeans feel too tight after washing them.
To fit.
To be the correct size for someone or something. These shoes fit perfectly after I tried them on.
To try on.
To put on clothes or accessories to see if they are suitable. She went to the store to try on a new dress.
To put on.
To place clothing or accessories on one's body. He put on his jacket before going outside.
To take off.
To remove clothing or accessories from one's body. She took off her shoes as soon as she got home.
To change.
To switch clothes, typically into something different. I need to change into formal wear for the event tonight.
Worn out.
Extremely used or damaged through use, no longer in good condition. His old shoes were worn out and had holes in them.
Belt.
A strip of material worn around the waist to hold clothes up or for decoration. He wore a leather belt with his trousers. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're not already part of the channel, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos. Don't forget to ring the bell to be the first to catch my next uploads. Thanks for sticking around till the end.